What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and tonight is going to be a community celebration. I know there's been a lot of negativity, and I've been kind of down. Bitcoin Renegades, and whoa. Okay, I'm actually turning that off. I don't need that because I have my phone. I use that for live chat sometimes, but don't need that now, and that freaked me out. Anyway, we are going to be doing a fan appreciation video. There's been a lot of negativity that I've been dealing with on my channel and just with things, and we're overcoming that because we need to look at celebrating the accomplishments. And that's what we're doing, not only with me, but with you guys as well, because this is as much my accomplishment as it is your guys' accomplishment to help me get to this level. So I know a lot of you are like, man, let's help this guy, do really well. And we have some hardcore people that are really into the channel and really into helping. So I just want to thank everybody for that. But yeah, I just hope everybody, I'm waiting for everyone to show up now. We only got one person over here. And, this is kind of going to depend on what tonight is all about, because it's basically a fan giveaway. And if we get 25 people here tonight before the end of the video all at once, then we're going to give away $5 in crypto. If we get 30 people, we will give away $10 in crypto. And I know we have at least 8 inner council members right now, and a lot of them haven't been showing up lately, so we need to get every inner council over here tonight, or there is going to be some evacuating of some inner council members before we do this giveaway. So there's going to be more room for you guys. I'm not even in a bad mood. This is just me. I gotta make the channel succeed. And so if not all the inner councils are going to take this seriously, then we're going to say goodbye, and then, pick people who do want to take it seriously. I mean, Weepin' One and King Love are here almost every time. Of course, I'm not talking about them, but I haven't seen Askio Owen over here in a long time on a live stream. I haven't seen Cian Suresh on a live stream. I haven't seen, I've seen Tim. Tim always comes over here, and Justin, he lets me know if he can't come over here. So all of you guys are safe. But the ones, Cian Suresh, Askio Owen, and let's see who else. That's it. Oh, and Vanish. Yeah, Vanish hasn't been coming to the channel at all lately either. So I'm going to take we might actually open this $50 reward to the public instead of just the inner council. So we might be doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway to the public, especially when there's only one person here and these are scheduled live streams. So my people know that they're supposed to be here. This is why I haven't hired anybody yet, because nobody has shown me the initiative that they actually want to do anything. Everybody says they do, and then when it comes down to it, they don't do it. So I think the inner council is going to be abolished as of right now. The inner council, I think, is no more. So bye-bye inner council. That is not a thing anymore. I think it actually hurt my channel more than it helped it, for one reason, because I think YouTube goes by viewers. There are types of viewers, and there are types of what count to them, and the longer that somebody's on your channel, the less they're, which is stupid. You'd think that they would reward you for keeping somebody on your channel for that long, but it's the complete opposite. The longer someone's on your channel, the more they comment, the less that affects your channel for the good, and it actually starts hurting your channel. And I don't understand that, but yeah, this was supposed to be a big giveaway, but we have one person here, guys. So we're just going to sit here and wait for people to show up. Yeah, this is why I don't count on an inner council. Because one of them showed up. Whoever this is, hey, let's go look at the chat. Oh, nobody's saying anything either. Okay. That's all right. All right, we'll build a new community. If you guys don't want to support me, man, I'll build a new one. I mean, at least we haven't seen a bunch of people drop off, but yeah, this is kind of ridiculous. It just shows maybe this is YouTube because I didn't put anything here that says graph or, you know, another thing. And they just, man, they're just irked. I don't like the way that they treat my channel here. Like, this is just so one person, like, for real. I just did like 50 minutes of advertising of this video and I get one person. That is super irking. So I'm waiting for you guys. This is a fan pick video, so we're just going to sit here and wait. No, I just disbanded the inner council is what I did. Nobody's taking it seriously, dude. You guys can't tell me. I mean, it's always just a big old hassle with everybody. And like, I'm actually offering to pay people and it's just, I don't know. It's just not working, obviously. I'm getting one person to show up for a live stream giveaway. But that's all right. I mean, I'm not mad at any of you. I'm just saying the inner council idea isn't working. You don't take any offense to that at all. Yeah, no, that's cool. I'm not mad, guys, at all. I'm actually in a really good mood, and I'm happy you're here. And I appreciate all of you. Guys, I don't think the inner council is working. There's like 2 of you that took it seriously. 4 of you took it seriously. Weeping Angel, King Love, Tim, and Justin. And Vanish used to. He used to take it seriously, and he doesn't anymore. But I'm not mad. Let's do stuff that works. That's all I'm saying. And we're just waiting right now. That's all we're doing. We're waiting for people to ask me what crypto to do, because I was going to talk about Algorand, because I know you guys love talking about that. I've been in kind of a weird mood lately, you know, and the cool thing about having a YouTube channel is I can use it sometimes to vent my mood. And that's kind of what this is sometimes. I came to the conclusion on live because, you know, I can't expect so much out of just like 2 or 3 of you and then nobody else does it, right? So I just feel bad. It's like I push some of you and you do it and then you go above and beyond. And then the other people, I can't even push a little bit and they just do nothing. So it's like, I'm just looking for a median. Like, I'm looking for a crew like you guys, but everybody, you know. And when I have a crew of 10 people, so this is what the people are, guys, this is why there aren't as many sponsors. When I say I have a group of 10 inner council members and then we go to a live stream and we have absolutely 1 viewer on there, that makes the inner council look absolutely ridiculous, right? So if I'm saying I have 10 members and only 3 of you take it serious, or 3 or 4 of you take it seriously, it just obviously is affecting the channel in a very, very bad way. So I just think that we might need to figure something out together, the ones that do want to work here. So a group of elders. Nope, not getting down on any of you guys. You showed up. That's all you got to do. You know, you guys go above and beyond, and I can't say that enough. So don't think that I'm mad at you guys. I'm not mad at anybody, actually, because nobody had to do this. I just don't like it. There's a process that I go through to invite people into the inner council, and then it's like once we get to a certain area, half of them fall off, and then I get new inner council members, and they do good for a while and then they fall off. But then I think it's hurting my YouTube channel. But I don't know, guys. I guess I expected more from this video. You know, it's the same people that have been supporting me, and that's awesome. And you can't go wrong with that. But we need to start. Yeah, I was pretty mad when I said start over from scratch. That part, I guess I was a little bit irritated. But that just happens, you know, sometimes. And I'm still trying to figure the algorithm out, and it doesn't work. I even went over to TikTok and did a 30-minute TikTok video before this, trying to get people over here for this giveaway so we can get back up to this 25 viewer milestone. And yeah, just I don't know what's happening. And we just need people telling me about cryptos and interacting, and that's what we're lacking on the channel, is that interaction. Yeah, you say yes if you want to join the inner council, and then I explain to you everything that it is, your responsibilities. Like there, I say you don't have to join. There's responsibilities of being it, and you guys understand that. Like there's a certain number of you that understand, and I'm actually willing to pay you guys, to do things that will help the channel. But nobody. So the reason I kind of maybe am upset is because I was like willing to pay you guys to join groups and to help share and get the word out there. Not one person did it. That's the kind of thing that I'm like, okay, what am I doing here? I can't get one of my people to get. That's how we're going to grow. Is you guys getting there. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys too. That's what this is supposed to be. Fan appreciation, guys. Oh my goodness. YouTube's a lot harder than you guys think. The longer that you're on here, the harder it gets. I didn't know that. So we're just going to kind of move past that. The inner council is going to, I think we're going to just lower it from 10 people to 4. The 4 that actually do, and then have a bigger group of, people if they want to share ideas. This is supposed to be an interactive channel. And the whole point of this channel is for people to be able to express themselves and their ideas here. And so when that doesn't happen, I guess I get on myself more than you guys, and I take it out on, venting on the channel. So let's tell me what you guys want me to look at now. Let's get into the video. Let's start talking about crypto. I know it is a grind. I do have these scheduled live streams, and they do better than the regular videos too. I just need to block out this thing from existence in my view, because if I can't see how many people are on here, it won't affect me. But when I look there and I see one person, yeah, it's very disheartening, because I know that I have more than one person that follows me. Should be a crypto info pool. Yeah. I mean, I make 4 videos a day, and all I ask you guys to do is comment and like on them. But yeah, I see what you mean. It is a lot. It can be, over time, especially like 2-3 months. Are we sleeping on Clover? I don't know what Donkey Finance is. Clover Finance is awesome. But crypto is at such a low price right now, you guys. Yeah, I think instead of saying we're getting rid of the inner council, we'll just end it here. We're going to reform the inner council. And I think it's going to just get a massive makeover, and the channel probably too, in the way that we do things. I'm probably going to take a day or 2 to just study the YouTube algorithm again. And then I'm going to try stuff on a new channel and see how it works. Instead of experimenting on this channel and ruining stuff, I'm going to start experimenting on another channel. And if I have to do these venting things, I think I'm going to do it on another channel too. So I might just get rid of this eyeball thing so I can't see how many people are on here, so I don't get disheartened. But it's these videos where I need fans on here that I guess I should advertise like a week and ahead instead of one day. Maybe that's something I can do. So let's get right into it now. He said something about Clover Finance. So let's look at Clover Finance. Is Donkey Finance real? Hold on. I just want to see if this is a real thing. No, there ain't no Donkey Finance. It didn't sound like it would be Clover Finance. So yeah, I'm actually really proud of this inner council, because in my last inner council, there was only one really hardcore person that stuck around, 1 or 2. And now there's like 4. So we're growing a stronger. So we have an inner group of really strong people, and then an outer group, every now and again visitors. But as you see, it looks like we have a breakout here. on Clover. We had a massive, look at that massive breakdown of this falling wedge pattern right here. Major breakout, major volume. The last time we saw volume was like that over here, except it dumped right afterwards. And this one is actually still pumping. So Clover's looking pretty good. This is Clover to USDT. We could actually do USD. It's basically the same thing though. Still has this nice breakout right at this level with that major volume. That's why I say look for volume. When you want to confirm a breakout, you look at that volume. And where is it sitting now? 65. Yeah. So it went all the way up to like 77 and then all the way back down there. So if you are watching this, do not leave until the end. If all of you stay on here until the end, then we will be able to get 25 concurrent people. If it says it happens at any point during the video, we will be doing those giveaways. So all you have to do is stay here the whole time. That's all you got to do. And yeah, we have a nice bottom right here of this wedge, and there it is. So we probably have a 4-hour. Okay, there's that. Let's check the 1 hour. Ooh, we might be having like some kind of a bull flag right here, actually. Check out the bull flag that actually might have broken out already. Ooh, no way. Nope. No, it's more of a descending triangle that, or a symmetrical triangle, if you look at it that way, that broke out to the upside. So it's looking pretty good for Clover right now. These are good low levels you can buy this crypto at. Look at all that volume. Someone else saw that too. They're like, man, this is at such a low level. Why not buy a whole bunch of it right here and send the price to the moon? So as you see, $67 million trading volume, not a whole lot for this crypto, but it only has a market cap of 137 million. So over half of the supply had been traded in the last 24 hours. So that is boss for this crypto, guys. So, all right, on to the next one. Oh, you do? You use the pod from Clover to run your business? Nice, bro. Okay. Clover proof of stake system. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah. But the giveaways got us to where we were. I agree with that. Like, I've thought the same thing. Exactly the same thing. I know ICP is boosting my views. Yeah, I love it. And I want to concentrate more on the ICP and, you know, stuff like that. But these fan appreciation, that's the whole point, man. I want to appreciate everybody who helped me to get to where I am. We are starting from a beginning place of nothing, and then we built what we have. I never thought we were going to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Like, who would want to see some toothless dude talk about crypto, right? But actually, a lot of people do want to hear me talk about it, and I do have a lot of good information that helps people, and that's why I am doing this. What do you mean? Oh, they must have already taken it out. Yeah, we can look at XRP. You're right. Humble yourself. For sure, we can look at XRP. That's the one I want to look at now that you mention that. We haven't been talking about XRP a lot. If you guys noticed, my XRP video did really good at the beginning of my channel. I got over 10,000 views on that. And people want to watch my videos. It's just the algorithm is really complicated and it changes, I think, all the time. And or at least it changes the way it reacts with your channel all the time. So we might have a nice breakout right here too. Nope, not yet. Look at that. Yeah, that's the definite Yeah. I'm going to say right there. Yeah, like right there. That's the resistance. And then we have we got falling wedges all over the place. This is super bullish for crypto right now. Everyone, like these falling wedge patterns normally go all the way back up to the top of the wedge, but that's only if they break out with a lot of volume. And as you see, it's erratic. It breaks out here and then goes back down under in the next breath. So that's a little bit worrisome for the short term, but honestly, we're getting ready for a major, major boost and a major rise in viewership. So, in money. So, XRP is getting ready for this breakout right here, I think, and then we'll come back and test the support level before going on further. But let's go and look at the 4-hour and see. Okay. Oh, it's a breakdown here. So yeah, we had a breakdown of right there and right there. Okay. So we have a rising wedge here and it broke to the downside. So technically it should go all the way down here to 72 cents. Or even touch this, 72.89 right here. So that'd be definitely something that we're looking at for right this second. Now, if it does hold right here, as you see, there is some support right here, and let's actually get the indicators out as well. Okay. Yeah, we're below all of them right now. So as you see, we just had a breakdown with this here. We were starting to break out of them, hit some definite resistance right here, broke to the downside, and now we are leveling off right here, hitting this resistance and closing under it. So this is going to be our first big level of resistance is the EMA 21. So unfortunately, the EMA 9 is above the EMA 21, or they're right at the same level. Nope. It looks like the EMA 21 is right below the EMA 9. So that's not good news for XRP in the short term. Long term, though, it is looking a little better. But yeah, it just broke to the downside even more. So and this is a descending wedge pattern right here. And if it breaks the upside, and that would be very good. But if it breaks the downside, we could even see it go down to 75, 74, and even, lower down here at 72. So that's what we're going to have to keep an eye out for. XRP not looking too healthy right now, if I'm being honest. It just had a couple breakdowns, but we could break above these levels and start to do better. So there's that. Back to the chat now, because this is all about you guys tonight. Even though it was a rocky start, guys, sometimes, you just got to bear with me, man. I am completely sober, so sometimes I get these crazy mood swings, I guess you call them. I don't know. I never used to get them before, I got sober, so emotional mood swings. Yeah, that's unfortunate, man, because you have a lot to offer, and I don't like to see it. He said you got 1,000 more subs than I ever got, and I did this 4 years before I wiped my channel and quit. Well, unfortunately, some people with a lot of good things to say don't get said on YouTube, because I've really watched a lot of TikTok and a lot of the stuff, and it's mostly not educational stuff that does well. Normally it is the what do you call it? The mindless idiocracy that does well on social media, because it's mainly kids that are on it, I guess. So what up, Ryan? Pick up Algo today. Okay, let's go look at Algo. Descending wedge, man, full bull all the way. Yeah. So Algorand, that's one definitely we have to look at and see where it's going, especially for my man Justin, who actually did let me know he had to probably be working during the live stream or at the beginning of it. So I appreciate that, man. That's teamwork, bro. Like I said, I'm not mad at you guys. I just think the inner council needs a overhaul. Wow, $1.37. I am so glad I sold at $1.82. Man, I just feel like a champ. Oh, or was it $1.72? I don't remember, one of those two. But I sold it for a nice profit, and now we're down here, and that makes me super happy. Not that the price is down here, but that I'm able to buy at a good price again. And I think this is a really, really good level to buy Algorand right now, guys. What the frick? I mean, we broke out of this falling wedge, and then we went right back under. So what is the point of even having a falling wedge? Right? Look at this thing. We kind of broke out of it, like, right here. Okay. That would be a falling wedge. Boom. And then we broke out right here. You see that? Because we closed above and then it kept going up. But what's here? What is this? Must be a moving average. Let's get some moving averages up here, because there's got to be a reason for it. So let's do, again, I like to look at the 21, the 9, and the 50. So that's what we're going to have here. Okay. As you see, we are above the 9. Oh, no, we were above the 9. Now we're below all of them again. This is one of the best prices you could probably buy Algorand at. When we are below all of these, and that would be the same thing for XRP. Now, I'm still thinking that this is not looking too good for Algorand right now. But if you really think of the fundamentals and what Algorand is and where it's at, this isn't too detrimental right now. This is actually a big buying opportunity. So you could actually say the same thing for XRP. If you want to look at it that way, this is bedrock. These are really dream level prices. If I could buy at $1.37, go sell at $1.85 all day long, doing that every day, oh, you bet you I would. You betcha I would. Look how many times you get the chance to do that. And we're down here again. This is called accumulation, guys. This is the name of the crypto game. If you're in crypto, these are the times where it separates the real investors from, the wannabes, because you're willing to take that risk to buy this at a bedrock level. Because $1.37, booyah. I knew it was going to go back down. That's why I sold at those prices. So I knew I could buy at a cheaper price. And now the cheaper price is here. So why wouldn't I go and buy it, right? $1.30, guys. This is crazy low for Algorand when you just say that we're at $3 right here. How long ago was that? November 18th, December, January, less than 2 months ago. Do you not remember that far back? I know it's kind of far, but I do remember that day, and it was a good day. I actually made money, and then I made money again. I thought I was going to lose money because of this, and then I made more money, and then we had a big dump, and I still made money. So I'm so happy with Algorand right now, just like I am happy with a portion of my inner council. And that's what I don't want them to think, even when I'm, upset, that I'm not happy with you guys. Like, you guys are awesome. I am doing this because of you. It makes me want to start all over, but not with my inner, just like, you know, sometimes it makes me want to just start a new channel and bring all of my people with me to the new channel, just because it seems like the channel sometimes gets garbled. But by no means am I ungrateful or anything like that, dude. Just to let you guys know. So where are we at right now, though? That's what we need to see. All right. Okay. Well, not the best looking there. I'm not gonna lie, we are basically at the bottom of, yeah, I mean, to buy, this is the perfect level, you know, but who knows if we're not going to break down and go further down. That's the only reason that's why it's called risky, though. Risk to reward. If you look, there's a level right there. So this is a good buying level. Anytime right here, if you would have bought going back, you would have made money here, 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 and here. Everywhere that touched it, right? Now guess where we are again. You would have made money here, 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 here. Oh, where are we again? Here, 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 here. It's actually pretty simple if you think about it. I mean, if you buy down here, you're making money, right? It always goes up higher than that. It goes back down here. Well, why wouldn't you do the same exact thing again? So these are pretty easy strategies. We are still in this consolidation box right here, but it will come to an end eventually. And ahead, it has to come out somewhere or just go sideways for longer than, you know, but that's neither here nor there. All right, back to questions. 8 people. Cool. If we get 17 more people, we'll give away $5 to the best question. I try, guys. I do. I do this because I do love doing this. I'm not gonna lie. It's one of, oh, cool. Thank you for catching that. You're awesome for that. Thank you, guys. I like that. Humble yourself. Is Ripple gonna dump soon? I don't see any signs of that. The only way that I see Ripple dumping, because all the banks and everything are owning it, maybe they'll push it down to buy it cheaper, but that's all I could see for that. Or if they lose the Ripple SEC case, yeah, but say good night to Ripple for sure. And possibly a lot of other crypto at that point. XLM would probably be toast, which is unfortunate because that's one of the best cryptos. Let's go look at XLM. And then I'll see, hold on, if you guys have anything else, I'll come back and look at that. But let's look at XLM. I know a lot of you like stellar lumens, but it's really correlated with XRP. If you guys didn't know that, they really correlate a lot together. And I'm not sure if they use the same kind of operating system or what the reason is for that. I know there is one. I just don't know it right off the top of my head. That's the only thing. So as you see, it looks like there was a breakout here. We had tons of falling wedge breakouts, as you see here. Boom. And then as you see, it's using it as support now. It broke out, a little bit of volume, enough to break out, not enough to, you know, sustain growth. But then it went back right and touched that, right? Now we're kissing on it again. So it either might break back down, or we could, you know, see a further rise, you know, to the upside from there. But it also could break through this and then down, down, down. So we need to keep an eye on that. Let's actually look at a 4-hour chart. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that nice breakout, and right where it touches that support level, which was resistance here. And that actually kind of looks like a bull flag, guys, on stellar lumens. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got ourselves a bull flag here. Because you could do this one right there. That's definitely a bull flag. What about that yet? That's more of a symmetrical triangle, but that could be kind of a bull flag too. And then you got the pole down here. And look at all that volume right there. Jeez. That is a lot of volume into Stellar, guys. They know to buy the dips down here. You see, people are buying. These are the levels that I'm telling you. Yes, it's risky. Everybody who bought right here, that's risky. Everybody who bought right here, that's risky. But look, they made money. They made money. Okay? They made money. Okay? Every single time they made money, guys. So what does that tell you? I mean, come on, you know, or if it goes back down to these levels, right? We have these wicks that go down, they touch an area, and then hiya. So that's where I want to be buying, is at these levels, you know, these levels every time. Boom. So that's what we got to look out for, everyone. Stellar Loom is looking pretty nice right now. Oh, yeah, as you see, it's a definite level of support right there. Booyah. That's why I'm saying level. Boom. Bedrock. Level. Boom. So it basically works almost every single time if you're doing it right. So it's pretty simple if you look at it that way. Let's move on. Algo dropped more than my prediction of $1.50 at low. That's okay though, because yeah, it's a great time to buy. That makes it even a better time to buy. If you thought I can't go lower than 150 and it goes to 137, that immediately tells me buy-in price. Boom. So smart move. See, that's the thing. The inner counsel who works super hard gets the brunt. This is exactly what I'm talking about. What he says, it needs rebranding and some leniency. We do as much as we can when we can, but we are human in our own lives and stuff in here when we can, but it's not all the time, unfortunately. And so that's the thing I'm talking about, is some of these guys, they go above and beyond, and then they think that I'm not grateful because I'm actually not talking about these guys, because they go above and beyond. I'm actually talking about the ones that actually do not what they're supposed to be doing, and then all the extra falls on these guys. And so they think that, you know, they have to pick up the slack, and that's not fair to them. That's why it makes me, unfortunately, a little mad about the other guys, because when you don't do your work, they have to pick up your work, and then I come down harder on them because they're the ones here. So we don't want to do that. We'll make it work, guys. We've made it work this far. We'll make it work again. So for sure, we'll figure it out. Don't worry. I have no doubt that we'll figure it out. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have 10 people on. If we get 15 more, then we are going to give away $5 to the best question. If we get 20 more, then we give away $10 to the best question. So the next is, I was just making game models and posting whenever I learned about a lot. Think about it. All these new coins are being put only on Coinbase wallet. Yes, because Coinbase has a certain level of security. Ryan Johnson asked, do you know why all these new coins are being put only on the Coinbase wallet? And what he's talking about, they have Coinbase, which is the app and the exchange. And then they have a Coinbase wallet, which is a non-custodial just wallet like MetaMask, anyone like that. And so the ones that are only put on the Coinbase wallet are ones that Coinbase doesn't stand behind as much. Like, so they offer this thing called support, which is they take any issues that happen with that and they kind of are accountable. Like what happened with GN and Power, they were kind of accountable for that because it went bad and it was on their site, right? So what they do is there's these coins that they don't quite, you know, have that level of trust or familiarity yet. Some will go past that point and move on to go on Coinbase, but they don't have to have that same level of support to have it available on the Coinbase wallet, because basically it's a decentralized application and you can go onto any dApp or whatever and interact with any crypto that you want. So that's the thing with the Coinbase wallet, is it has a big world of the decentralized world and dApps that you can connect to it, unlike a regular Coinbase app. So you have access to these garbage coins which Coinbase won't normally allow you to have any access with coins like that. It's kind of a safeguard against those up and coming, projects. But that's how you can become rich too, is investing in the one or two that does well. So finally, no, I'm glad you made it home safe, and rest up, man. Do whatever you got to do. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's smart to get XLM, especially at these bedrock prices. Because if you see XLM, every time and these are the accumulation times. So if you actually go back and look on the 4-hour, it would have been good to buy right here at 25 cents, 25 cents, 24 cents, 23 cents, 24 cents. Now we're up to 26 cents. I wouldn't have bought up here, but yeah, when you get to these lower bedrock prices, that's when you buy. Over here at 26 cents, over here at 26, each time up, each time up. I mean, every time it's over and over and over and over. And if you guys buy, this is where you dollar cost average at every time. It's not that hard to get to these bedrock prices because you can see them. They are called the support levels, right? Look at that. You could draw a line. Anytime you see something like that, well, where are we now? Well, look at the line. Okay, now this is where we buy at for the next pump up. It always could go down too. So, you got to be careful of that. But not one time did that happen here. I mean, never did it go down again here. Maybe afterwards it went down a little more, but then shot up even more. So it's all judgment call, guys. You got to make your own judgment calls on these things. So, yeah. Mana. Okay, yeah, let's look at Mana. Okay. These I did want to talk about metaverse coins tonight too. That's why I put it in the search thing, because I was hoping somebody would say something about Mana or Sandbox even, because these are nice low prices to buy these massive crypto. You don't think that Decentraland has a future after all of these giant companies are putting money into the metaverse and Facebook literally changed its name to Meta? I mean, these are coins that I'm looking to buy at good low prices that I haven't been able to get in a long time. Look at this. You could have got it for 80 cents for such a long time back here. But that's neither here nor there. But right now, this is at one of the lowest bedrock. Look at, guys. So remember what I was showing you there? If you buy here. Oh, whoops. I grabbed the line one. If you buy here, right? So you want to get at the bottom of the wick. So every time. So we're here again. I'm not even kidding. And eventually it's going to go up higher too. And you're going to run into one that goes, yeah, way, way high. So that's all you got to think about. These are good levels to purchase this at. Definitely bedrock levels. That's where you purchase crypto at, is bedrock levels, support levels. Mana. Okay, let's go into the 4-hour now, because I really do want to see if there's like a breakout coming here soon or anything. Wow, that's a giant mess. Can I just, nope. That wasn't good. I was hoping it would let me hold on. I know what I'll do. Fixed. I cheated. But let's look at the 1 hour. There we go. So yeah, bedrock. Oh again. 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 Guys, I think I just figured out a system that I didn't mean to figure out. This is a pretty good system when you just look at bedrock, and then you almost basically every time that it does that, up, right? Bedrock again, up, Okay, this one didn't happen. This one went down, 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 but now we're at bedrock. So bedrock. Wow. Good time to buy mana, not financial advice. Common sense, right? So yeah, now let's look at Sandbox, because I do want to look at these metaverse coins. They are the future of crypto and the present. Not just the future, guys. This is the present. So this is what's happening in crypto right now. Wow, I can't believe this is worth more than mana is, but craziness. Boom, look at that. This thing sat at like 80 cents for a long time too, until we had this. Now look where we're at again on this one. See, I'm starting to see a pattern here, right? I think I just made cryptocurrency really easy. Did I just make crypto easy for you guys? I hope I did. I mean, it's not that complicated to know you buy at the bottom. The worst case scenario is it goes down further for a little while, and then you hold it, and then it goes back up even higher, right? Or even worst case scenario, it goes down for a long time, and then it goes back up, and you make your money back. That's what's happened to me a lot. I've had to wait months, and then finally, hey, I'm in a profit again. I knew that was going to happen. I wanted to make it in a month, but instead it took about 4 months, but I didn't lose money. I bought at the right price. I took a risk. It worked out 90% of the time. The 10% it didn't. I turned it into a long-term trade that worked out in the end anyway. So these are the things I'm telling you guys for a reason, and why I think that my videos are super relevant. And yeah, so now let's go back and look at the 4 hour. Okay. Oh, wow. Actually, we have a bull flag right here. Sandbox has a bull flag. Right now. Bull flag. Oh my God, it has a bull flag. Look at this bull flag, guys. I'm not even kidding. Look at that bull flag. Look at that. Looks like the pennant, huh? When the Seattle Mariners won the pennant. Look at that thing. Beautiful personified. Now we just need a breakout to the upside. Breaking through to the other side and some volume to make us go high. So, yeah. Kind of looks like a bicycle. Serious. Let's finish it. The seat. The bowl. The fork. The other fork. And then handlebars. There you go. And then put little spokes on them. God, that looks horrible, but look at that. There's my bicycle. Don't forget the frame. There we go. This needs to have that here too. Boom! We got ourselves a bike, fellas. I don't know. But look at this. Bedrock prices. You can even see it right here better. Bedrock prices. Look at the bedrock. When it hits bedrock. It could break down. If not, these are good buy, purchase, right? So purchase. So buy the dip, you fill your money clip. Do you think SHIB will break out in March or April? Every 5 months it breaks out, just like Bitcoin in the same month. So Shiba Inu is a meme coin, so it's not going to be as predictable as any other crypto, even with technical analysis, because it is what it is, right? So wow, it's pretty much held its price not too bad at 29 right here. I thought it was going to lose to zero. It did hold its price nice and well. And that's pretty cool, guys. So this is, I normally wouldn't look at SHIB because I'm not normally a big SHIB follower or lover or whatever you want to call it. But I recognize it, though. I recognize the potential that there is to make money with it. But for a long-term trade, this just isn't for me. Now, if you guys want to know where to make money on this, well, it's a risk anytime you look at making money with a crypto like this. So those are the things, you're going to follow the same guidelines as these, right? Bedrock prices, right? If you go back all the way here, bedrock prices, where are we at right now? If you look, that's all you have to do with crypto is look where you're at. You know, you buy here, this didn't work out, right? Didn't go to the upside yet. So it doesn't always work that way, but most of the time it does. You see what I mean? And it depends if you're a long-term trader or a short-term trader. Those are the things that you're going to have to, take in mind. But this is a low level right here. So most likely we're going to think up, 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 up. And most of the time that does work out. I'm telling you, look, even if it's only a little bit, it works out most of the time. This time it didn't work out. There was some resistance right here, which we faced all the way over here, which pushed us down, but we still were able to go down and ultimately break above. So that's what you got to know. Shiba Inu, just be careful, but look, these are good bottom level prices. Now I'm just showing you what I see. Do I want to invest in Shiba for the long term? Absolutely not. But if you guys tell me you became a millionaire with SHIB and it helped you and you made a lot of money, that is all I care about. If you, I mean, dude, you making money, you're smart. I don't care what you can't call someone who made $1 million on Shiba a stupid investor, because there's nothing stupid about making $1 million anywhere you made it. So, but yeah, that's just definitely, if you love SHIB, dude, then if you love SHIB, then it doesn't matter if you make money or not, right? You are in here to make money, but if you love SHIB, I mean, I've bought tons of things that I love that I didn't make money off of before, right? So it all depends on, are you investing? Are you buying Shiba because you just like SHIB and it makes a good conversation piece? Or are you making SHIB to change your life? That's the difference. So there you have it. Yeah, they do nothing and sit there and they put it all on you guys, and it kind of irritates me. And then I end up taking it out on you guys because you're the ones that are there. So that's the whole thing with that. Just it's hard being a leader, guys. Yeah, it really is, because you have to keep everybody happy. So it's super hard to do. And then leading people, but I enjoy it. I enjoy the challenge. I enjoy, working through our problems as a community. And that's definitely positive for the future of our channel. We can run into some issues, and figure them out together. So that to me is, I do appreciate you guys. I don't say it enough, but because there's some guys that get on my nerves, but you guys that show up all the time, not you. Of course, you guys do your best. And I see that. When I see you trying and I see you doing your best, I'm not going to get on you. I understand life, right? So it's all just about communication, maybe better on my behalf and yours. So, but yeah, crypto's doing pretty good right now, guys. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I would love to see this go up to 25 so that we could, give money away. But if not, oh well, we're good. It started out kind of rocky, but I think we ended up with a good stream out of this. It kind of went to where I wanted to. Not as much of the money given away, but actually talking about the crypto that you guys want to talk about. TRX. This one I'm just going to do for you guys because I know a lot of my audience just likes TRX. It's a good one to hold in staking, and a lot of the micro wallets hold TRX. And a lot of my viewers like micro wallets, or, the Express Crypto one. People do, at least. And same with me, because I kind of came from that. So if you look at TRX, I think it's ready for a breakout. Oh yeah, look at that. This thing is just straight up resistance all the way down. Look at that bedrock right here, though. We finally hit some bedrock at 6 cents. What are we at right now? 669. Okay, so at 638, we hit some serious bedrock down here, Remember when we hit bedrock? Do I have to draw it again? Do I have to draw it again? So yeah, this is where I would be buying Tron. Even right here might, be a good, but I might also wait for a confirmation too of right here, and then boom. So that's something that you can look at too. I'm not just saying go willy-nilly and every time you see a candle that breaks down to the downside, go and buy it. Kind of take into consideration everything, because if you here, it didn't go, right? This is one of the cases where it doesn't. This one it did, but barely, and then it went back down, right? So there are cases where you're not at, but it's not bedrock. This would be bedrock. This would be a case of bedrock being broken right here. This would have been bedrock. See that? You buy here, you go up, you buy here, you go up, then it breaks down. Okay, that is a possibility always. Just know that. I'm going to tell you both sides of the story, guys, because I'm not just a moon boy. Like, I love to get you guys to make money, but I also am somebody who is very realistic and is going to show you how to make money and not just show you, to put your money in a coin that I hold. So I don't even hold TRX. So even if I did, I wouldn't do that. So yeah, it can sometimes break to the downside. As you see, it isn't 100%, but it is for the very much most part. When you're at bedrock and you buy, it normally goes up, and we've proven it over and over and over and over again. So even it does go down afterwards. Yeah. TRX is looking pretty good. Coming out of this, see, oh yeah, there would have been nice bedrock right here. Anywhere in this area would be good, for this instance to buy Tron. If you're dollar cost averaging, this would be the time to, do your dollar cost averaging in. Not financial advice, of course, entertainment purposes only, common sense. Okay, back to the questions now, everybody. Coinbase has an exchange DApp in the wallet if you never needed to swap USD for other coins. Yeah, there are a lot of good DApps in there on the Coinbase wallet app. On the Polygon chain instead of ERC20, it's super easy. Okay. Yeah, if you buy Matic on the Polygon chain, you're going to get cheaper gas fees. Man, it has a wedge pattern too. Yeah, I love it. The graph did the downer on you? Oh, it did? Dang it. I hope it didn't do that on me. The graph, GERT. It's always, yeah. Oh, the bedrock level? Yeah, you're right. The graph did that to me. I bought it bedrock and the bedrock broke. So that's a possibility, guys. I mean, and it did it again. Ugh. But these are good levels to buy the graph at, break down like that. But the graph's been really willy-nilly lately, and I've been losing money for a long time. So it's time to start making the money. Yeah, so it broke out to the upside and then it went right back down. Is that what I'm seeing? Is that what the dirty Gertie did? Did me dirty again? Yep, look at that. It went back under on me. You're right, look at that. Look at that little sucker. Oh, that's mean, graph. Why you do that? That's okay. It's still a good bullish pattern. It's done it several times, right here, and right here. So actually, you could do it on the same thing right here, guys. If you look at this on the other end, every time we get one of these on the upside, okay, so it goes both ways. This is a crazy little thing. When you see these wicks way to the upside like that, I'm going to use this. Guys, this is good information. I don't know exactly where it fits into everything, but that's good information to have. I don't care who you are. And I'm always going to be looking for those things. I know when I see a big wick to the upside, we're going to have a down. When I see a big wick to the upside, we're probably going down. Pretty good math, right? Big wick to the upside, going down. Big wick to the upside. That one didn't work. We went down a little bit, actually. So, I mean, it's pretty accurate. It isn't going to be 100% of the time, but when you look at those things, it happens at the bottom with bedrock, and it happens at the top with resistance as well when you see these resistance levels. So, and this is information I don't think I've ever given you guys on videos before. So I really hope this helps you. What's up, Munch? Beware of Telegram airdrop channels. Yeah, they suck. Don't ever use Telegram airdrop. It's a scam, all of it. Yeah, it's garbage. I don't use Telegram for anything like that. Yeah, no, I don't even want to hear that because Express Crypto is going through a hard time right now with their server. So they're not running away with your money, guys. They could have done it in a better way. If they were going to do it, they would have done it in a better way than this. They wouldn't just say, oh, we're leaving, blah, blah. Your guys' money is safe for right now as long as they can get the server back. The only way your money's gone is if they lose the server. Then they'll probably I don't know if they'll, I can't speak on that, but, you know, they seem like people that would do what's right. I can speak on that. How to win the giveaway? Well, you just get all your friends over here. What we're doing is if we get 25 concurrent people all on at once, which is this number right here, then we will give away $5 in crypto to the best question. If you get to 30 concurrent viewers, we give 2 people with the best question the $5 giveaway. So get all your friends over here. And yeah, that's all it takes. So I'm trying to figure out a way to share my stats with you guys so that you can see how many people were on live. I know you can see this right here. It says 6, but there's something that tells me the whole amount of people, the most people that came at one time. So that's what I need to look for. General. Okay. Oh. Oh, what that was, but okay. Dogecoin. Yeah, don't expect free stuff, but hope for it. Never expect anything and hope for everything. That is my best way to look at life. Because when you do finally get something, then you're super grateful for it instead of being like, oh, that's it. You know, I'm super grateful for everything that I get. So Doge, look at that. It would have been bedrock down here at 16. This is another meme coin. It has a bit more of a future than SHIB because it has a bigger past. That's all. Just because it has a bigger past. But it looks like we have a breakout right here on Doge. So yeah, definite falling wedge breakout. Definite. That's looking good. So a lot of crypto is in a bullish pattern right now, and we have a clear breakout. There wasn't a whole lot of volume, but enough to sustain the breakout because it was continued volume. These can all add up. If they all added up, they'd probably be about this high, you know, and that was the last time we broke out. But as you see, the same thing that I'm teaching you guys, right? And the same thing here. We can look at it both ways. Every time you see one of these, kind of know where we're going, right? So to know where you're going, you got to know where you've been. So and then we get up here. It basically works 90% of the time. I think it's like 10% of the time it doesn't work, but for the most part, yeah. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart on this guy. Whoops. Forget they don't change it back when you go to a new room. Okay, this is a nice little breakout we have here on Doge, and it looks like it's sustaining upward trending slope line as well. So this could be good. I'd like to see it actually go sideways for a little while and hold this level of 17, and you know, even if it does start going upwards too, but I'd like to see it go sideways and then have another breakout to the upside. Look at that volume here on the 4-hour though. That is a lot of volume. And as you see, there was some nice volume here. So that's a good sign that we're having this continued volume coming in, and looks bullish. Definitely looks a little bit bullish on Dogecoin, I'm not going to lie. So Shiba doesn't look bullish right now, but Dogecoin does. There's that. The magic numbers. Normally we do get those giveaways. What? Oh my gosh, Jorge, why do you keep doing that? You don't always have to send me money, bro. Thank you, though. Oh my God, that is so nice. I got a super chat. Dude, thank you. I can't believe you did that. So what about Saitama? Oh, okay. Well, let's go look at Saitama, because last time we looked at this crypto, it was at Bedrock. So, and what do I say about Bedrock, guys? Right? These are ways you're going to make money. If you follow these simple rules of crypto, then you're going to be okay. Now, how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 7 zeros. Okay. He didn't give up on Saitama, but let's look at the, well, I want to look here first, actually. Okay. From 6 down to 4. Okay, not too bad. We didn't lose a zero there. Okay. Okay. So we can still have a massive pump then, huh? This isn't like any other of the meme coins that I've seen that have failed and then, or not failed, or might have failed and then recovered. Because of the FBI, they tried to destroy the community, but obviously the community is strong, because the community, even with all of that, it has recovered a little bit. And I like to see that. I really do, especially for Saitama holders. Dude, if you like a meme coin, guys, this is the thing. If you like it, buy it. If it makes you happy, there's very few things in this world that make us happy, guys. So if you find something that makes you happy and it's as easy as a crypto, buy it. I don't care. Make yourself happy. If you know somebody who likes a meme coin and you want to spend $20 to buy them some Saitama, then, or Saitama actually is what it's called, Saitama. I didn't say that better. 3 syllables. Saitama. Then do it. You know, it's almost Valentine's Day. So do it. So look, you know, the FBI gets involved. We have stuff like this happen. But if you look where this is, I'm not going to, you can't pay me to lie. So I'm actually going to give you my honest opinion here. But this looks like a bedrock area to me. And actually, I would like to zoom in a little bit further to actually see it, how it moves a little more. I'd like to see a better understanding of the movements of this crypto, because you can't do it with all that just straight flat line stuff. You know, you got to zoom in. So, oh my goodness. Hey, I didn't have that on here. That was weird. Anyway, Bedrock. I'm seeing Bedrock here. So this is a little bit different of a coin, because how it moves in the 4 hour. You can definitely tell there's not a lot of volume in here, because, dude, if you were a millionaire, you could pump this coin probably something fierce. There's only $11 million worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours. So if you had 20 million bucks, you could probably pump this thing a zero. Well, maybe not a zero, but you could pump this thing pretty high. I have a harder time reading these ones, and I'm not going to lie to you about it, because as you see, look at all that volume that came in right here. So what I'm going to say with Saitama, what you have to look at is volume over the charts, because maybe the daily is okay, but as you see, it's more about volume with this to where it goes. And I've noticed it moves a lot more compared to the volume. So maybe let's look at the VPVR on this one, if you can. Oh yeah, they don't have it on here. Let's look at the EMAs. Okay. Wait, hold on. Am I okay? I'm not big-headed. Okay, just had to make sure. 2150. Okay. Well, we're above a couple of them. We are above the EMA 9 and the EMA 21. Now the EMA 50 is up here. So we are using that. That is definitely a resistance right here that we ran into. So short term, it's kind of bullish that we broke above those two. We will have a little bit more resistance up here, but I think we could actually see a bigger move up to the upside, maybe even back to this level of the sixes soon. So it's looking pretty good for that. Now, that's about the best I can give you off of this one, because it doesn't give me a lot of information. If you like it, buy it. You might make money. It might blast off again, but you might lose money too. It has 7 zeros. So there's a lot of money to be made there. You could make a lot of money or you could lose. So like I'm saying, it's just a judgment call with something like this. And if you like meme coins, then who am I to stop you? All right. Now, Saitama. I'm bullish on BTCZ. I've never heard of BTCZ. So, oh, is that guy putting more stuff in here again? Oh, thank you guys for catching him. How many times has this person done that? Because if Laura to Moon does it again, I'm going to kick. Okay, that was a different person. I don't want to kick all these people, but yeah, if you see the same person that does that stuff several times, kick them. I mean, I give people chances. Because honestly, I got kicked out of a lot of stuff in the beginning of my YouTube just from ignorance, because I didn't know the etiquette that there was. I probably could have been on Crypto Wendy's show a long time ago if I would have known the etiquette. You know, she actually has something in her chat that says, if you want to be on the O show, just contact me here. And I was always trying to do it through the chat. And I guess that's just not the way you're supposed to do it. So spam bots. Ah, I see. Yeah, for some reason, they love my channel. Spam bots. They just love it. Oh, man. I lost that thing on there. There we go. Back up. So that's about the show we have tonight, guys. I thank you guys for coming by. Glad we got over the first part of the video. And we are where we are. So there's definitely going to be a revamp of the inner council. I don't want the people that worked so hard to get punished. So, gosh, I don't know what we're going to do about that. Maybe we'll just have the 4 people compete for the $50 for the people who actually are on the channel and show up all the time and are really supporting it. Not saying that the others aren't. They just aren't doing inner council level support. You know what I mean? So, yeah, the spam bots do hurt the channel for sure. We don't want fake people here. We want all real people, because YouTube knows the difference, and it actually rewards you for real people and punishes you for fake people. So we'll get over it. Or get through it, not over it. We'll get through it. We'll break through it. We're strong. We're stronger together. So I do appreciate you all. That is the point of this whole video, is to show my appreciation. Even if I can't do it in words, I can do it through a video, and I can do it through showing my love for you that way. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.